Nvidia shares have nearly tripled so far this year, as you can see. And while those moves make it now the world's most valuable company, it also makes it the world's largest short, in dollar terms anyway. According to S3 Partners, there are nearly 291 million shares worth more than $39 billion short in the stock. That's just 1.2% of the float. But S3 notes the shorts have taken huge mark-to-market losses of more than $7 billion so far in June alone. Let's talk more about it with Ihor Dusaniwsky. He's a managing director of predictive analytics at S3 Partners. Ihor, it's great to see you again. I mean, that's a pretty big dollar figure loss, isn't it?
Monster. I mean, it kind of looks back. You look back to Tesla to see those kind of big numbers.
How often do people like to try to short these highly momentum-driven names?
Well, this is an interesting short because you've got not only the quants and the momentum guys shorting the stock, it's also a hedge to the overall market and the tech sector. So you've got a lot of different people in this trade.
Mike, I mean, as he's saying, there are people who are who are willing to go out there, and if you time it just right, I bet you could make a killing on some kind of 5 or 10% correction, but you could also lose your shirt in about 3 days' time here.
For sure. I mean, I do think you have to keep in mind 24.6 billion shares now outstanding after the split. And you don't know how much of it, as Ihor said, is a hedge and essentially people just trying to make sure that they don't get too overexposed on the upside. I'm also focused on things like, you know, there's these leveraged single stock ETFs tied to Nvidia that have attracted a massive amount of capital. So on an aggregate basis, the world is just massively long Nvidia right now. And what you do with that, whether you try to hedge it through options or an outright short or just let it ride, to me is one of the key questions, you know, heading through the summer.
Ihor, how do you think about short interest as a percent? So when Nvidia is around 1% of the float, and Microsoft and Apple are like 0.75%, same for Alphabet, Meta's a little higher. What does that tell you, historically speaking?
Well, for large caps and the mega caps, you really looking at short percentage of float doesn't really make much sense because it's just such an enormous amount of shares outstanding. I like to look at dollars at risk. How much money? I don't care how many chips. I want to know how many black chips are on the table. I want to know how much money is being bet. So I'm looking at the $39 billion as a bigger number than the 1.3% that are shorted. This is a widely shorted stock across all the trading platforms.
So is that, Ihor, what's been driving the gains? I mean, we all look at it day after day, just continuing to the upside. Do you think Nvidia is having a short squeeze a la GME or AMC here?
You know, not quite a short squeeze like GME, and GME is much smaller. You know, a big thing is that we have a map product that looks at the long side of the market. We kind of predict 13F holdings 45 days in advance. And we're looking at something like Nvidia, which has got 65% institutional holding. 52% of its stock is being held by passive investors, ETFs, mutual funds and such. GameStop is only 29% institutional holding. So you've got a huge amount of retail holders in this name. That's what's driving the volatility. You got people going in and out of the market and pushing the stock around.
Mike, what will you be watching for? And kind of Fab 5, the Mag 6, the Mag 7, whatever we're going to call it.
Yeah, I mean, I would just point out that just the level of overall activity, transaction activity in a name like Nvidia is enormous. $39 billion short. Well, guess what? It's going to trade $39 billion today, probably. It trades that much on a routine basis. It traded $80 billion one day. So I think that you have to take that into context. If I was looking for something to worry about, it would probably be that the overall short base in this market is really low. That's true for the ETFs like the SPY and the QQQ. It is true for the big mega cap companies, too. So, yes, the dollar values are large, but we have a $46 trillion S&P 500 right now. So you definitely would like to have a bigger short cushion, I think, if you wanted a smoother ride for
$46 trillion. That's the stat of the day. Ihor, I guess the reason I'm interested is because I want to know, like everybody, when's it going to stop going up and is it going to start going down? And any data point that can kind of help us come to that conclusion, I'd be curious if you see it in the numbers out there.
I mean, one thing I definitely look at is the squeezability of the stock. The shorts are down big. So, we've got, 200, almost 300 million shares shorted. If a good portion of that gets some, buy to covers because they're getting squeezed, you're going to see a little bit more of a run up. You're going to see a little bit more support on the long side. And who knows, that even drives momentum buyers even stronger for the name.